Your promise I could keep, but all I hold is empty space and shadows of your fading face. Your voice still lingers in my mind, a fragile echo left behind. Every word we used to say now just slowly slips away. I don't know how to breathe without you. Every night feels colder now. All the things I used to hold on to don't make sense without you.